This is your base level. It's what you're going to use to paint or color in your base. Just cut it out, apply it to the cup, and then use it like a template. Peel back what you're going to paint one at a time and go to town. There's a little line in between each section. You can leave that there and use it for another color, or even leave the vinyl as a extra little piece there, or just remove it like I chose to. I was all out of paintbrushes, and boy, this wasn't going to work. I finally gave up eventually and dug out an old makeup brush. I should add that as you're doing this, watch each side of the template has matching pieces. Make sure you paint them both sides the same color, that way they line up with the template. This section and the one right below it are the two you're looking for to match up. Allow your paint to dry completely before going in with resin and glitter. firefly adds an awesome gold hue to it. It just completely sparkles. It has so much dimension. Use my code SHELL at PDB Glitter to get some savings. That's a lot of cuts. It's gonna definitely take a while. I believe this took me 2.5 hours to weed. When you're doing this template, you'll notice that two sides of the black template had matching pieces. Line this up in the center of those two pieces and you'll be able to line up all your colors with the coordinating areas. See the diamond there at the bottom? I'm just lining it up right in the middle, and then everything else will lay out just fine. Cut the first template to fit the base of the cup. Cut the second template to fit after it's glittered. Finally, to start weeding. Weeding is the process of removing any vinyl that you don't want. With this template, you have two options. You can weed the inside pieces, that's what I chose to do, or pull the outline off in a few separate pieces much quicker. But I just really wanted to go with the wow factor on this one. This took me over 2.5 hours to do, so I didn't want to bore you. I cut a lot out. I went from here to the couch to finish it all. The sections I'm trimming away, I chose to pull the outline of the circles out rather than the center. So yeah, I just trimmed a few pieces that were connected with the border lines. As I was doing this, watching the glitter sparkle through, oh my gosh, you guys, I was so wowed. I love this cup. These are my finished couch pictures, all weeded. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope I did something new for you. Who knows? But anyway, crafting is fun. We make messes and that's how we roll. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon.